Now for a few advanced functions with Mixpanel insights. You can use formulas to make calculations using simple arithmetic operators. Simply go to the plus sign next to the matrix, select formula, and start building your own custom formula. So in this case, if we wanted to look at the ratio of the first time unique users who search for a product out of the total products searched, then I would create this by simply typing in A divided by B, and Mixpanel would quickly compute that in the form of a formula for me, and I could save this for future reuse in reports later on by clicking on Save. One thing to keep in mind around reused save formulas is that only some roles can share formulas with the entire project for reuse, and you can only look at the formulas that were saved by you or created by you or shared with you. Another advanced feature that you can try within Insights is to combine a set of events in order to create a new custom event. All you need to do is create a new custom event by clicking on Create Custom. Give your new event a name. Then start typing in all of the events that you want to combine. So if it's product added, product viewed, and product search. And then simply click on Save in order to create your new custom event. Like custom events, you can also use the Insights report to create custom properties. This is a unique feature that allows you to combine existing properties into new properties like you would in tools like Excel. Simply navigate to the Create Custom section and select whether you'd like to create a custom event property or a user property. Now, some of the common use cases for custom properties are things like grouping your marketing channels in case you want to combine different UTM sources across social media, or computing properties mathematically, or even calculating the number of days between two date properties. There are a few examples for you to use and refer to in order to build your custom property. Check out the Mixpanel blog for some more inspiration and use cases to build your custom property.